Thanks to its combination of cutting-edge technology, stylish appearance, and reasonable pricing, the 2025 Fiat Punto is expected to create a big splash in the small vehicle industry. The new Punto continues Fiat's tradition of making entertaining vehicles. Both city drivers and those who prefer longer trips might find something to their liking in its innovative and practically minded design. The exterior design is one area where the 2025 Fiat Punto has received significant upgrades. A more aerodynamic profile, more prominent front grille, and cleaner lines characterize the updated vehicle. The car's fuel efficiency and visual appeal are both enhanced by these modifications. Fiat has put a lot of effort into giving the Punto a new, contemporary design that will attract younger customers without turning off its loyal following. The inside of the Fiat Punto 2025 is roomier and more pleasant than before. The interior has a more luxury feel thanks to the use of high-quality materials, and the layout is still user-friendly and logical. At the heart of the new entertainment system is a huge touchscreen that provides quick access to the vehicle's settings, audio, and navigation. You can connect your phone with ease because this system works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2025 Fiat Punto has a variety of powerful engines to choose from. Customers have the choice to select from gasoline, diesel, or hybrid models, based on their personal taste and the demands of their daily commute. In instance, the hybrid model's reduced emissions and ability to save gasoline should make it a bestseller. Fiat has also improved the vehicle's handling and suspension, which makes it quicker and more responsive when driving. The 2025 Punto continues Fiat's tradition of prioritizing safety. Adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and lane keeping assist are just a few of the high-tech safety systems that come standard on this vehicle. Especially on longer journeys, these features are meant to provide the driver and passengers peace of mind. Connectivity is at an all-new level in the 2025 Punto. As part of its suite of smart technologies, Fiat has debuted features like over-the-air software updates, remote vehicle monitoring, and a smartphone app that gives drivers more power over their vehicles. These technological enhancements will keep the Punto competitive in today's hyper-digital market. The 2025 Fiat Punto's price is competitive with its rivals in the same market. For first-time purchasers or those seeking to downsize without compromising quality, Fiat has positioned the car to offer outstanding value for money. Customers can find a model that suits their needs, wants, and budget among the several trim options. Finally, the 2025 Fiat Punto is an attractive small car since it is versatile, fast, and packed with technology. While incorporating contemporary design, efficiency, and safety features, it faithfully follows Fiat's legacy of making enjoyable-to-drive automobiles. The new Punto is dependable and fun to drive in any environment, from crowded city streets to the open highway.
Thanks for watching.